An endoscopy, also called a gastroscopy, is a test to look at the inside of your food pipe, stomach, and the first part of your bowel. You may have this test to find out the cause of symptoms such as lasting indigestion, difficulty in swallowing, or bleeding from the stomach. Your stomach needs to be empty for the test, so don't eat or drink for 6 hours beforehand. An endoscopy takes around 15 minutes, but expect to be in the hospital for several hours. This allows time to prepare for the test and any recovery time afterwards. If you need an interpreter at your appointment, let the hospital know in advance. First, a nurse will talk to you about what to expect and take your blood pressure, pulse, and temperature. Just before the test, a specialist doctor or nurse, called an endoscopist, sprays the back of your throat to numb it. You may choose to also have sedation. This makes you relaxed and you may feel sleepy. Your nurse puts a plastic guard into your mouth. Then the endoscopist puts a thin, flexible tube into your mouth and down your throat. This is uncomfortable and may make you gag for a short time. Concentrating on slow, deep breathing helps. Raise your hand if you want them to stop at any point. On the end of the tube is a light and a camera which sends pictures to a monitor. If they see any abnormal areas, they take a tissue sample, called a biopsy. You won't feel any pain. After the test, you may feel bloated for a few hours, and your throat may be sore for a day or two. You can usually leave shortly after the test if you've only had the numbing spray, but you can't eat or drink until you can swallow normally again. This can take about an hour. If you've had sedation, you may feel tired or dizzy for a short time. You normally stay in the recovery area for about an hour. You may not remember much about having the test. You need a friend or family member to take you home and stay with you overnight. After 24 hours, the sedation will have worn off and you can carry on with normal activities. Your doctor gives you any biopsy results a few weeks later.